What's up, gamers? Hi, I'm Tilly. Welcome back to my bathroom. There's no good way to start this video. I've been working the past few weeks almost non-stop between my job and then editing this video series that I'm trying to get out. It's been very stressful because it's in a style I'm not used to, and apparently I'm not good at editing interviews. I've been stressed. I figured, you know what? Today we're gonna do something to kind of chillax. It's something I've been wanting to do for a while, which is to shave my eyebrows. The tails of my eyebrows. Did I clickbait you? Yes. I have been told that I have very expressive eyebrows, so apparently any alteration to them will be noticeable. I'm not sure how true that is, but okay, let's do it anyways. Here's the before.
Wow.
I am using the Dollar Shave Club razor. This is not sponsored, it's just the razor I use. But yes, they will be getting an episode not sponsored very soon. I'm kind of nervous about this, oh my goodness. So first things first, I am going to place water on the brow area. I looked up like half a YouTube video before I decided to do this, and I asked one friend who I know shaved their eyebrows before if it was a good idea. And of course they said yes. Good. Everything's fine. But we're just going to take some of this. Not a ton. We're just gonna put it there, on and around the parts that we are going to shave off. There we go. Now we have our razor. Our razor is now damp. Okay, I'm going to use this mirror to see closer while I lean closer to you. Okay, if this turns out terribly, it's okay. Here we go. I guess I'm just gonna... I don't have a lot of space to work with. This is like surgery, but not at all. Did I even get anything? Okay, that's one eyebrow. Oh wow. That really opens up your face. Okay, one brow down. One more to go. I'm just gonna go for it. Just no shame. Those even. I swear to God, I cut my eye. I have no one to blame but myself. Okay, I'm not mad about this. I think I need to do a little bit of tweezer work, especially on this guy, just to melt things out, but that wasn't the worst that could have happened. I want to shave them off. I did it! Those are gone. But you know, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Would I have done this if I had a normal day job? We all know the answer is no. Maybe. That's a face with significantly shorter eyebrows. I don't know if I'll keep this look or if I'll do it again, but it's there. It is there. Thanks for tuning in. I think the next video you'll see of me will be a lot different from this one, so make sure you subscribe so that you get notified when that comes out. It's gonna be very exciting. If you're enjoying this at night, I hope you're able to get to sleep soon. For everyone else, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all next time.